this week we saw what Governor Soludo did. He went ahead and arrested a couple of pastors that were making claims to be true men of God. The same way he took out native doctors, DBRs, who were claiming to be able to manifest wealth and give people riches. Now, most Christians, like the video I watched this morning, the pastor was saying that you cannot talk about God anointing. But we know that he's just trying to be senseless. Nonetheless, there's something that we need to understand. And I think it is primarily within the Catholic Church. Within the Catholic Church, there is a system whereby miracles are dictated. There are things that would happen, and they will say, okay, this is a miracle. And these things don't just happen. There has to be an inquiry, a system, or, I think they have an institution under the Catholic Church that will come out and investigate anything that they call a miracle. And I think the first instance is that before they consider something a miracle, it has to bear these hallmarks. The first one is that it has to be a terminal illness. The disease, whatever that was healed, has to be terminal. Terminal in the sense that every medical opinions, every medical research have said that this is terminal. There is no drug. There is nothing that is going to save this person. It is terminal. Two, investigations will show or medical reports will show that this infection, this disease is actually terminal. It is not just something that will tell, oh, this random person was healed from this. No, the committee would investigate to be sure that first of all, the whatever that was healed was terminal. The second thing is that there has to be a record, a medical record, a trail that they can say, okay, this is it. And another instance they gave is that another condition they gave is that such disease has to be congenital. I think it has to be from birth. It is not something that happened to you. It has to be from birth. That's how they can be able to trace it. But most important, I'm trying to make in this video is that while we are seeing this whole nonsense thing that are calling miracles everywhere, but while these miracles are everywhere, Nigeria is in a mess, and there is no investigation or there is no verification. You that say, oh, your pastor healed somebody, but you don't even know that person. It is a random person, a random man that will come and say, oh, I was deaf, I was dumb, and I was healed. I was a cripple, and I can walk. All those things within the Catholic Church, it is not admissible within the Catholic Church. So what Governor Soludo is doing in this aspect, it is okay, and it's okay. There's still much work that needs to be done, but personally, he's still on the right track.